Hello, this is Celina Acosta, your Gilbert, Arizona real estate expert, and today I am so excited to introduce you 2547 East Ravenswood Drive, located in the exclusive gated community of Calliandra Estates in Southeast Gilbert. Come, let's check it out. Calliandra Estates is an exclusive gated community with a lovely and inviting entrance, green spaces, and walking trails throughout, with a private clubhouse to host events and so much more. And this magnificent home was built in 2017. It is the popular Aracena floor plan by Toll Brothers with a private courtyard entrance. This is a semi-custom home featuring 4 bedrooms, plus a study, plus a den, and it's sitting on a premium oversized lot that was designed to provide comfortable and luxurious living. Almost 4,000 square feet, soaring 12-foot ceilings throughout, this home is spacious with lots of natural light. This splendid family room is open to the Radiant Chef's kitchen, which includes a massive center island with abundant quartz countertops, upgraded cabinetry with upper cabinets, and upgraded stainless steel appliances, including a top-of-the-line built-in refrigerator and wine cellar. The owner's suite is located on a separate wing of the home, and it features a spa-like bathroom with dual separate vanities, with marble countertops, a soaking tub, and a custom tile shower with a glass enclosure. As you walk your way through the secondary bedrooms, you will find that every bedroom of the home is spacious with large windows. This home has it all, and is located in a top-ranked school district, and it has easy access to freeways, shopping, and restaurants. Homes of this caliber don't come up too often, so hurry before it's gone.